Welcome to Production Planet, where we dive deep into the world of large scale harvesting. Have you ever wondered what crops are harvested every year in massive quantities to feed billions of people worldwide? In this video, we'll explore some of the most important products that are harvested annually on a large scale, shaping global economies and ensuring food security. Stick around as we break down these essential crops, their harvesting processes, and their impact on our daily lives. First on our list is rice, one of the most consumed staple foods globally, grown extensively in countries like China, India, Indonesia, and Bangladesh. Rice is harvested in massive quantities every year to sustain millions of people. The harvesting process typically involves draining the paddies, cutting the stalks, and threshing the grains using advanced machinery or traditional hand methods. With over 750 million tons produced annually, rice remains a crucial crop for food security. Next up is wheat, the backbone of bread, pasta, and countless other products. Wheat is cultivated on a vast scale in countries like the United States, Russia, Canada, and Australia. Its harvesting process is highly mechanized, involving powerful combine harvesters that cut, thresh, and clean the grain in a single pass. Every year, over 780 million tons of wheat are harvested worldwide, making it one of the most significant crops in human civilization. Corn, also known as maize, is another major agricultural product harvested annually in large quantities. The United States, Brazil, and China lead global corn production, with over 1.2 billion tons harvested each year. Corn is a versatile crop used for food, animal feed, biofuels, and industrial applications. Harvesting is done using high efficiency combines that remove the kernels from the cob, ensuring maximum yield. Soybeans are a powerhouse crop, widely cultivated in Brazil, the US, and Argentina. With an annual global harvest exceeding 370 million tons, soybeans are crucial for producing vegetable oil, animal feed, and soy based food products. Farmers use specialized harvesters that cut the plants and separate the beans efficiently, making large scale soybean farming a vital industry. Sugarcane is another massively harvested crop, primarily grown in tropical regions such as Brazil, India, and Thailand. This crop is essential for sugar production, ethanol, and other industrial uses. The harvesting process often involves large machines known as cane harvesters, which cut, strip, and load the stalks efficiently. Over 1.9 billion tons of sugarcane are harvested worldwide each year. Did you know that potatoes are one of the most harvested root crops globally? With an annual production of over 370 million tons, potatoes are grown extensively in China, India, and Russia. The harvesting process involves specialized potato diggers that pull the tubers from the soil without damaging them. From French fries to mashed potatoes, this crop plays a huge role in our diets. Tomatoes might surprise you as one of the top harvested crops worldwide. With an annual production of around 190 million tons, they are widely cultivated in China, the US, and Italy. Tomato harvesting can be done by hand or with machines that gently pick ripe tomatoes for processing into sauces, pastes, and fresh consumption. Bananas are one of the most exported fruits globally, with over 150 million tons harvested each year. Leading producers like India, Ecuador, and the Philippines grow bananas in vast plantations. Harvesting is done by hand, with workers carefully cutting bunches to prevent damage before they are packed and shipped worldwide. For all the coffee lovers out there, coffee beans are another major annual harvest. With Brazil, Vietnam, and Colombia leading production, coffee farms yield around 10 million tons of beans every year. The harvesting process varies. Some farmers handpick only the ripest cherries, while others use mechanical shakers to collect the beans efficiently. Finally, let's talk about cotton, a vital raw material for the textile industry. Each year, about 25 million tons of cotton are harvested worldwide, mainly in India, the US, and China. Cotton harvesting is highly mechanized, using cotton pickers that extract the fiber from the plant while minimizing waste. And there you have it, some of the most harvested crops worldwide, ensuring food security, economic stability, and industrial supply chains. These products play a critical role in our lives, from the food on our plates to the clothes we wear. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more amazing content about large-scale harvesting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.